Do you have any idea about a thing where Filipinos are pro at? Well, of course, aside from singing in karaoke.
Helping each other?
That's right. That is why this video will tackle Damayan and volunteerism. Because when things get tough, Filipinos team up.
According to page 1, Damayan is one of the Filipino values, aside from bayanihan, utang na loob at malasakit, that should still be practiced and is still important.
In addition, according to Child of 2024, this can be also a way to show and part of volunteerism, a value that strengthens our communities.
The United Nations volunteer by 2026 that these two can manifest real action, like people stepping out, offering help that is purely out of compassion.
Damayan, siyempre ito yung pagtulungan, kapag may kailangan tulungan. Kasi kumbaga yun yung culture ng Pilipino. Kumbaga yun yung pwede natin ipagmalaki na kahit nahihirapan na tayo, willing pa rin tayo tulungan. Actually, sa Philippine Red Cross, siyempre, bukod sa tayo ay tumutulong, diba? Na-experience natin yung mga ganyan bagay. Tumulong sa iba, kapag may mga nangailangan. Kumbaga, isa yun sa mga goal ng PRC na tumulong. Actually, malaking role yung pagkakaroon ng Damayan concept. Ang pagiging volunteer, wala po siyang bayad. Wala tayo nare-receive na anything. Siguro, pag may nagbibigay sa atin, kapag may tumutulong sa atin, kung baka titignan natin, hindi naman siya yung regular na kunyari ako, nagtatrabaho ako o may sakit ako. Yung concept ng volunteer is kung baka tayo nagtuhang any nakapalit. So, yung tulong o yung tulungan na binibigay natin, yung tulong na binibigay natin, kumbaga parang yun yung masasabi natin na pwede maging malaking factor ng Damayan sa pagiging volunteer. Hindi naman yung may mga meron na pwede tulungan, kumbaga at least nakakatulong tayo. Ano yung nakikita nila na good side doon sa ating pagbo-volunteer? For example, sa social media. Nakita nila yung mga volunteers natin tumutulong in times of disaster, in times of calamity. Kumbaga yung iba na-encourage na ay, gusto ko rin mag-volunteer kasi nakakatulong kami. Sabi niya, mas okay na yung tayo yung tumulong kaysa tayo yung tulungan. Diba? Kasi kumbaga tayo, capable tayo tulungan sila. Kasi hindi natin pa kailangan. For now, naging proud tayo na, ay, nakakatulong ako sa iyo.
Did you learn something today?
Yes, that is the fact that Damayan is a concept that involves the entire community. Here, individuals can be emotional or financially supported and also show solidarity.
And aside from that, Damayan can be connected to volunteerism, as both share the same practices, and that is wanting the best for the community, uplifting others and providing assistance without expecting anything in return.
In addition, this too can be a source of hope to someone who got nothing. It could be the start of their driving force to move forward and have a goal. The concept of Damayan and volunteerism does not equate to you helping but in a giving way of heart.